My life is a method to madness. A question to the censorship committee. Who's the biggest put down to human growth? The critics or the politicians? You gotta watch your back, man. Bombarded with persuasive messages. Military men say, hey man, you gotta fight back. Real men fight back. Well, from once upon a time in youthful years, were adored by my muse. And I'm putting it back to you, boys. I'm gonna put it right back to you. No one is entitled to be ignorant. Entities behind the messages have a mind, and it goes on to the public mind. It becomes ideology and adapted beliefs. But if the common man saw a raw, ugly diamond in the sand, he wouldn't even think twice. No acknowledgement to its existence. My wings are made to fly. You've put your cops on back 'cause I know better. Snap. Raise and invent new taxes. Please, in laws, cops react to one's behaviour. It's in the eyes. It's in the eye. I see with my own eye. I see your eye. One eye open. Once we're brothers and comrades, but I got washed away. You are being used by others from outer space. I can see that. From outer space.